Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you for returning if you're a returning viewer, and welcome to my channel if you're new and haven't been here before. My name is Sujo Beauty and I make beauty videos and makeup videos and book videos now because I'm obsessed with books. So yeah, anyway, thank you for being here. So today we are going to get into a haul. This is going to be everything that I got while I was away. If you didn't know, I recently went on a holiday with my family. We went to 3 different states around Australia, and the reason we went was because my favourite band and my dad's favourite band, Iron Maiden, were touring and doing concerts, so we went to a couple of different shows in a couple of different states, and it was honestly the holiday of like a lifetime. I had such an amazing time with my family. All of my family went, and yeah, it was just so incredible. Iron Maiden has such a special place in my heart. I've been listening to them basically since I came out of the womb because my dad is obsessed with them. And just growing up, yeah, listening to them and stuff, and now they're my favourite band. They are getting quite old. The drummer's like 72, Nico. Bruce is 66. He's like the lead singer. And yeah, honestly, they're such an incredible band. I highly recommend checking them out. But yeah, they are getting quite old. So the last time we saw them was 2016. They were meant to come down around COVID time, and then obviously COVID happened. So yeah, we haven't seen them since 2016. So the fact that we got to see them this year is just so incredible because it is quite a worry that they're getting old and stuff. That might have been the last chance that we got to see them. Bruce said he would be back, so hopefully they do come back. I would give so much to be able to see them, like, you know, one last time. But if that was the last time that we saw them, then, you know, I'm obviously so grateful for that. It was such an amazing trip. We had so much fun. And I just really think my lucky stars every day that, one, I'm, you know, able to go on these trips, 2, that I'm able to have my whole family with me, because I know that that's not a luxury that a lot of people have, and the fact that we're all happy and healthy, it's honestly something that I pray for every single night, and something that I'm so grateful for, and that, you know, I never let it slip my mind that we are just so lucky. And it stresses me out a lot that you know, I always say loving people is hard, because when you love people, it opens you up to so many more feelings of like fear and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, the fact that we got to go on this trip all together, that, you know, everything went well and we were able to see our favourite band, it's just, I truly am so blessed, and I'm feeling so grateful. And yeah, I've come back and I'm feeling, you know, a lot of emotions. I'm feeling very grateful. I'm feeling very motivated. My goal is to just, you know, knuckle down now, work as hard as I can so that we can, you know, afford more of these trips. And that's where I'm going to do a little shameless self-plug right now. Obviously, I post on YouTube, but I don't make money off YouTube, unfortunately. They demonetized me a couple of years ago. I've never been able to get my monetization back, so I made a Patreon. I have been Slack posting over there, but I am going to really knuckle down and start creating content specifically for Patreon as well. So if you like my content, if you want to support me, if you want to see some more content that isn't available on YouTube, then head over to my Patreon. It is linked down below. It does cost a small fee, and it's like a monthly subscription, but obviously you can opt out anytime. And that really just facilitates me being able to make these videos and hopefully turning this into my career one day. I've been on YouTube now for, oh god, I don't know, since 2017. So almost 10 years. It's like 6 years or 7 years or something like that. And yeah, I just, you know, am very passionate about it, and I'm really hoping one day I'll be able to make this my career. Anyway, that was a big ramble, but let's just start with what I got. So I'm going to just start with like all the tour merch and stuff that I got. So let's get started. So the first top I got was this one. Well, like, not the first one, but, you know, this is in no particular order. I'm just kind of showing you things as they come. But yeah, I got this top here. It's super cool. We have Eddie on there. Eddie is like the band, like, mascot, I guess. And fun fact, that is who my nephew is named after, Edward. And we call him Eddie, and it's after my dad's favourite band. So here he is here, super cool. And then that is the back of the top. Iron Maiden honestly make like the coolest merch. I feel like they're so cool with, yeah, all of the stuff that they make. So very grateful to have these. So yeah, that was the first one. I also got this hoodie. I'm going to zip it up so you can see. So this is the hoodie here. The weirdest thing about the Iron Maiden, I've got a couple of these, like, well, I've got one other of these zip up hoodies, and the zip's on the wrong side. They're from, like, Britain. They're from, like, England or whatever. So, I don't know if, like, over there the zips are on the opposite side. But every time I wear one of these zip up hoodies from Iron Maiden, it really confuses me because they're on the wrong side. But anyway. So that is the front. Hopefully you guys can see. Once again, we just have Eddie there. This was the this was the Future Past tour. So they had some songs from the past and some like from their most recent album. So it's really cool. So this side of the Eddie here is back from the Somewhere in Time album. And then this side of him is from the Senjutsu album. So like it's just cool how they've kind of incorporated it. Like I said, I feel like they do really, really cool merch, and I really enjoy their mascot and their merch and their art and stuff like that. And then on the back we just have that there, which is super cool. And once again we have Eddie here from the Senjutsu album, and then we have Eddie back here. This is from Stranger in a Strange Land, I'm pretty sure though. So yeah, super cool. If you're not into Iron Maiden, you probably have no idea what I'm talking about. That's fine. But yeah, I just really enjoy the art designs. I think they're really cool. Next I got this one. And this is also from Stranger in a Strange Land, I'm pretty sure. It's a song. And then that's the back. I don't know. I think he's sick. I really, really want to get a tattoo of Eddie. I have 2 Iron Maiden tattoos. I have the one here that just says Iron Maiden. You probably can't see it. It's upside down. And then I've got the one here that says Senjutsu, and that's their latest album. But I really want to get like an actual portrait of Eddie. I got this one from JJ's, so this wasn't like from the actual like tour merchandise stand, but I still think it's really cool. That's him there. Super cool. Then I got this one. I got so many of them, honestly. But they just come out with the coolest designs, so I just had to. So yeah. There's this one here. Eddie dressed in his like samurai get up, which was cute. And then that's the back of it. And then the last one I got was like the official like Australian design, which was cool. And it's like Eddie and he's like diving under the water, which I just thought was really cute. So you can see he's got his little like Australian flag and stuff down there. Yeah, I don't know, I just thought that was so cool. And then that's the back there. So yeah, I'm excited to have more t-shirts and stuff to add to the collection. I've got a few, but now I'm stocked up. All my dad ever wears is like Iron Maiden t-shirts, and he got a lot as well, so we're fully stocked now. I also got this, which I'm a bit sad about because obviously we had to bring it back, so it got a little bit crumpled. But this is the like the tour program or whatever it is. So yeah, it's just got like, you know, all the information and stuff in it. I haven't actually read through it yet, but I will do that soon. And then yeah, it's got all this stuff, super cool. And then on the back is an actual poster, which is gonna be a little bit hard to show you. Let me zoom in out. So it's the same design as one of the t-shirts that I already showed you, but yeah, I just think that's such, I love this design. I think it's so cool. Hopefully you guys can see it alright. But yeah, so honestly, the fact that I got to see them again, I'm just so beyond grateful. I saw them 3 times, sorry, this last trip. But yeah, before that I've seen them maybe, I can't remember if it was 2 or 3 times. But either way, I've seen them a couple of times now, and every show is so great. I feel like I need to stop rambling. But anyway, let's get on to the rest of the stuff that I got now. Oh, I forgot to show you this actually. I just got a little keychain. It's just of Eddie. So, let's get on to the other stuff. I'm just kind of like, yeah, no particular order, just grabbing kind of what I can. I got this from Movie World, and I'm also really upset about it because it got like crushed, but it's fine. Once again, we just had to bring it back, obviously, in the luggage. So he got a little bit banged up, but it's the Joker, and I just think he's so cute. This is the Batman 1989. I love this design of the Joker. I think it's so cool. I've got one up there, but I don't have this one, so really excited to have that. If you know me, you know that I love my like pop vinyls and things like that. So next I got this sweetheart. Is this not the cutest thing you have ever seen? His name is Samar, I think, or Samar. Samar. It says, who's that mellow leading the pack? It's Samar. This wonderful whale never planned on being in charge, but his kindness and consideration have helped him become an excellent leader. If you need some advice on making the best choice, give Samar a call. So cute. And so this was released in like their little Valentine's collection, and he's got a little top hat, like little bow tie. Is that not the cutest thing you've ever seen? But yeah, he was originally $20, but he was on sale for half price, so I snatched him up, and I just think he is absolutely adorable. No, I do not need any more Squishmallows, but how could I pass them up? We went to the markets in Sydney, and I got this fake Prada bag, but I just think it's so nice. Like, I don't know, and it feels like pretty good quality as well. I just feel like it's a really, really nice one. Love the strap on it, love the colour of it, and it's quite big as well. It's got like 2 zips, so yeah, there's heaps of room in there. And yeah, just couldn't pass it up. I thought it was such a nice bag, so yeah, I was very happy with that one. So when we went to SeaWorld, they have the little Nickelodeon shop there, and I absolutely love like SpongeBob, I love Rugrats, you know, like I'm a Nickelodeon girl. I just love Nickelodeon so much, like old school Nickelodeon. And I saw this. No, my mum actually bought me this, which was so nice of her. Actually so obsessed, guys. It's a little reptile bag. And like, it's honestly the cutest thing that I think I've ever seen. So that is the front of it. How cute is that? It says reptile bar, and it's got a little reptile on the zip here, and you open it, you can put stuff in the front in there. Then on the back he's got a little tail. How cute. It's a Loungefly bag, and then yeah, like obviously you can open it up. I haven't even seen inside it yet. That's, guys, my studio is honestly a wreck right now. Gonna film a like cleaning video after this, so oh, it's so cute. So yeah, inside it's just got all the little babies. It's kind of hard to see, but I love Loungefly bags. I love their design so much. I've got a couple of purses from them, but this is like my first actual bag, I think, and yeah, I'm obsessed. I just think it is so cute. When I get my bookshelf up, this is going to be my little pride and, what is it? Pride and joy sitting up there. So cute, love that. And then I also got this little wallet. I just can't, I love SpongeBob so much. So I think this is the front, or maybe the other side's the front, I don't know. But we have SpongeBob and Patrick on little jellyfish up there. And then we have SpongeBob's house. And then when you open it up, it's like a little card wallet. And you pull it out. Yeah, so you pull it out and there's all these little things in there, and it's got all the characters on there. It's just, like, honestly, I know Loungefly stuff is really expensive, but I feel like it's like so well created. And the attention to detail is just like unmatched. So I really, really enjoy my Loungefly things. So yeah, I've got a couple actually. I've got a little Harry Potter one that I got last time, and then I've got 2 like Rugrats ones. So yeah, so excited about that. I've never actually used them because they're too beautiful, so I don't like to use them. Oh, I also got this from the tour. It's a little stubby holder. I don't really drink like at all, to be honest, but I thought the design on it was so cool, so display him somewhere. These are Cade's gummy nerd clusters. Oh, Cade and I, we made little mini Lego figures. Let me show you them. So we went to the Lego store in Sydney, and apparently it's like the largest Lego store in the world. And they've got a little minifigure factory, and you get to like design the torso of your little minifigure, and you get to like write whatever you want on it. So this is mine. I'll zoom you in. So Cade and I have nicknames for each other. Mine is Fofo and his is Kif. But this is my little minifigure, and on my top I wrote Fofo love Kif. And I've got the little cat there. It's meant to be Esther. And then on the back I just put a little teddy bear and wrote Sydney 2024. I had to take my hair off because otherwise you can't see it. Uh-oh, I lost my stuff. Girl, where did you go? Oh my god, I'm gonna have to find her or I'm gonna lose her forever. So that was mine, basically. And then Cade's is here. It was a little bit hard because there wasn't any hair to suit him, so he just put on this little alien thing, but this is his, and he wrote Kiffer on his. And he has a little teddy bear, which is my teddy bear, because there was no Tillies there was no dogs. But on the back, he put a little soccer ball and he wrote, I love Fofo. But so that was in the Sydney Lego shop. Like obviously they only had so many accessories and things like that. But then we went to another shop in Sydney, like another Lego shop yesterday, and we found a little dog that looked like Tilly. So now we have a little Esther and a little Tilly, which are our animals. But Dad has a little mini dog at the moment. I need to go and get it off him. So yeah, those are our little Lego minifigures. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I think this is gonna have to be a two-parter because we haven't not even got through half. So I think I'm gonna call it here because I've already been filming for like 20 minutes. Oh my god, actually, before I do that, let me show you this. I also got this from the tour. It's a flag. It's the Trooper flag. I'm gonna have to like zoom me out for this one. I'm not gonna be able to show you. So it says Iron Maiden on it, obviously, and then we have Eddie from the Trooper. Got that as well. Hopefully you saw some of that. Yeah, such a cool flag. I would love to put it up in my beauty room, but I'm also like, I just don't know if like that fits the vibe. But this is like the hardest thing about me is I have two completely different sides to my personality. Like I would love to be clean girl aesthetic, you know, like I love beauty, I love skincare, I love makeup, I love all of that stuff in here. I'd love for my walls to just be decorated with like, you know, all the clean, nice looking beauty products. But then the other side of me loves like pop culture and movies and music and like all those little weird knickknacks. So it's so hard trying to combine both of my personalities. Some days I walk in here and I'm like, no, get everything off the walls. I just want my makeup in here. And other days I'm like, no. And I feel like I even have that like with my tattoos sometimes. Like I love my tattoos so much, but sometimes I'm like, should I have stayed a clean girl? Anyway, I'm going to call this video here because we still have a lot to go through. So let's get started on a part 2. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.